Bati niya, buat. Lasing ka na, pre. Uwi tayo. Lasing na. Pumunta na yun. Tulog na. Susukaan na, hayop ka. Chiga!
Up, I ain't dropping dynamite. Like that dynamite. Okay, this is getting crazy. Tigers getting cagey. Feeling something new. It's amazing. All the records breaking. History in the making. Feeling something new. It's amazing.
Mabait po siya, tsaka gentleman. Playboy. And mapamola po. Hiningi niya po yung account ko. And then, binigay ko naman po sa kanya. Tapos, after nun, wala na po. Siguro after 3 months, dun lang po nag-usap ulit. And then, hanggang 2024. Pumunta po siya sa amin, nagpaalam po siya sa parents ko. And then, fast forward, siguro March din po naging kami na.
Brother. Wow! Ganda! Bro! Pagkakita ko sa kanya, na mesmerize ako agad. Parang siya lang yung nakita ko of all people na nandun.
Gail. And thank you! Welcome!
Kapag lang may available time ako or may available time din siya, doon lang kami nakakapag-usap na maayos. So hanggang doon sa magtuloy-tuloy, few months, tumagal yung pag-uusap namin.
Pinaka gusto ko pong sinabi niya is yung birthday ko, niyaya niya akong magsimba.
Ang importante sa akin is yung personality din niya. So habang nakakausap ko siya, malalim yung feelings ko sa kanya. Sa akin naman is, dahil gusto ko nga at mahal ko nga, sinusunod ko na lang na parang hindi na lang kami mag-away.
Sana ka sumawa. Sana lagi mo pa rin tatanggap.
Mrs., you are my once in a lifetime, my answered prayer, and my forever. Today, I give you not just my words or vows, but my whole life for the rest of our days. I love you, Mommy and Baby.
I promise na kahit na naman dumating na problem sa atin, lagi kitang pipiliin. Lagi kong pipiliin maging buo tayong tatlo. I love you so much.
Thank you.
From Ate Ann.
Uy, wow. To my future husband, I know you've been dreaming of having this. That's why I chose this gift just for you. I hope it brings you as much joy as you bring into my life every day. I love you so much, your future wife. Thank you.
Naiiyak lang ako pag naiinis ako kay Relly.
We make the vibe, keep it wild like an animal. Yeah, we don't need no luck. We're calling shots, let it rock like a criminal. Not gonna lock us up. Hear it coming now. We won't let you down. Turning up the sound. Hear it coming now. Here it comes, let's go. We're gonna bring the noise. We're gonna bring the noise. You're gonna hear our voice. And we won't stop now. We're gonna bring the noise. Bring the noise.
This is not real. It's just a dream. Please, please, wake up. Wake up. Wake up.